Are anaconda snake poisonous? The largest anaconda ever measured was almost 28 feet long with a girth of 44 inches. She wasn't weighed at the time she was caught, but scientists estimate that she must have weighed over 500 pounds. The other snake that competes with the anaconda is the Asiatic reticulated python, Python reticulatus. What is the biggest snake on Earth? The inland taipan, Oxyuranus microlepidatus, is considered the most venomous snake in the world with a murine LD50 value of 0.025 mg/kg/sc. Ernst and Zug et al. 1996 list a value of 0.01 mg/kg/sc, which makes it the most venomous snake in the world in their study too. They have an average venom yield of 44 milligrams.